My name is Cory Weck. I'm the managing partner of the personal injury division at McCune, Wright, Arevalo. Mark and Linda Self are two retirees that lived in the Redlands area for 30 plus years. Every day in the afternoon they would walk through the neighborhood and looking at the old homes as Redlands is known for. Happened to be about 2 years ago when they were on a walk and they were crossing in a four-way intersection controlled by 4 stop signs right next to a school when the defendant in the case, a retired San Bernardino district attorney who is returning from a field trip, drove a van through the intersection without stopping and struck our clients while they're in the middle of the crosswalk and severely injured them. Obviously we're dealing with a litigation savvy defendant. He's a lawyer. And his defense, even though the incident was actually captured on a dash camera by another vehicle, his defense was that the shadows were so dark where our clients were not observable to him as he went through the intersection. You would assume people do the right thing and accept responsibility for their actions. However, in this case, even though there was a dash camera that captured the incident itself, the defendant refused to do so. He argued that because the shadows from the local trees precluded him from seeing our clients in the crosswalk, that somehow not only was he not responsible for the incident, but in a bizarre way, our clients were actually partly responsible for not seeing that he failed to yield at the stop sign. We had accident reconstructionists, we had orthopedic specialists, and of course we utilized DK Global to help break down the defense that he could not see our clients because the shadows from the trees made it impossible for him to see them in the crosswalk. So we had DK Global come out on the anniversary date and at the exact time of the incident, and we took drone footage and photographs that were able to show that the lighting was perfectly fine for the defendant from the defendant's point of view, and that his defense really had no weight whatsoever. We never utilized animations because that really wasn't as important as capturing the exact circumstances of the accident itself, because that was the critical issue, was could the defendant see our client? And it was those visuals that were obtained not only from the drone footage that would have been taken at the very eye level of the driver, but the exact timing of the event clearly showed that there was no shadows that would have precluded him from striking or seeing our clients in the crosswalk. Well, we were set to start trial the end of this month, and mediation, which settled after about 6 hours of discussion with the mediator and the defendant's attorneys. The case settled for $1.5 million. I've utilized DK Global almost exclusively in my practice. Not only the local, but it's a quality product, and it does make a difference at the end of the day that jurors appreciate having some visual representations of the incident far more than any words that I can ever state in court. I think any attorney who is not utilizing a company that is this quality that DK Global produces, they're bordering on malpractice on any catastrophic injury case. It's easy to utilize. The product is provided in a timely manner, and it can also be changed at the drop of the hat because DK Global has been incredibly responsive if changes do need to be made. Our clients are ecstatic that it's over with and they can get on with their lives. Often in litigation, the clients have to relive the day over and over and over, and not only is there value to the closure, the financial compensation that you're going to receive is going to help them in their recovery.